goodness. Well, this morning, deputies rescued a woman trapped in rushing floodwaters here. Her rescue was the 8th incident that Franklin County has dealt with in the last 48 hours. This was Highway 23 North this morning, close to Turner Bend.
I was first one to arrive here. The car was out there, just outside that sign, if you can see.
Deputy Todd Bevel says a woman made it about a third of the way across in her car when the rushing floodwaters stalled it, leaving her stranded inside.
At that point, of course, you can see there was no way I could get out there, to rescue her, so I could call for search and rescue.
Because of the specific type of tow truck needed to pull her car out, she had to be patient.
It's got a 6x6 Army type wrecker thing, and then we had to wait till that got here before we get out there to rescue her.
The woman is fine. Her car is another story.
She just thought she could and didn't look as bad as what she thought it was till she got out in it.
Always remember, looks can be deceiving, and it does not take much to sweep your car away.
When you come up on a roadway and you see water going across it, don't cross it, because you don't know the force of the water. You get out in it, and it's too late. That current, you can wash you away, or it's going to stall you like this lady.
In fact, Progressive Insurance reports that it only takes 1 foot of moving water to sweep the average car right off the road. That comes up to about the height of the center of your wheel.